was organizing this tournament, he came to this team, especially the captain Pale, and he said that you all people have to play with the shoes. Otherwise, if you can't play with the shoes, so you are not allowed to play the game. So they do not have any option except to wear the shoes. The boys had no choice but to put their shoes back on. They got blister the first day. They got the blister means they were not habitual play with the shoes, playing football with the shoes. So they got their toe, their finger or feet injured. That there were little bit wounds are there, so they cannot play properly, and they got injured while playing the game, while playing the football in the feet with the shoes. But after a few days the shoes become more comfortable, and after practicing with while having the shoes, they become comfortable. They got little bit comfortable, convenient to play the football. How? And Pale began to get that feel of the ball, and now he is starting observing the feel of the ball while he was kicking the ball by his feet. He found that he could kick with his toes as well as with the side of his feet. Now he observed that he is not only kick the ball by his toe, as well as the other part of the shoes he can kick as well as. The ball traveled further with less efforts. Wearing shoes is better, he finally decided, and he found that kicking with the shoes, it's become too faster and it required less efforts. So they can store their energy for the rest of the game. So they found that the playing football while having the shoes on the feet, it's perfect idea. It's a great thing, and they finally decided to accept the shoes. 16 teams entered the tournament. Like there were 16 teams who participated in this tournament. Little America won the first game, then they won their second game, and their third. Suddenly they were in the finals playing for the championship before a huge crowd. And now, the fourth match was the final game, a championship game, where a big crowd of big spectators were gathered in the spectator in the stadium, and they were supporting their team. They were very happy. The atmosphere was fully scream. People were laughing. Crowd was making noise to support their team. It was a hard, close game, but years of playing together paid off. Pale was especially good that day, dribbling, passing, shooting all over the field. And this was a little bit tough day because the opponent's team was a little bit competitive, hard. But after a long practice, the Pale was passing the ball, returning the ball, shooting each and everywhere of the field. Like he was kicking the ball in each and every corner of the football ground, because the team is spread everywhere. His team, so he is passing the ball, and he played a wonderful role in this match. Late in the game, Pale got the ball and dribbled it quickly towards the goal. And now, in the final, when the time is almost out or time is going to be over, then what he did, he got the ball and he quickly run behind the ball, dribbling and going near to the goal. And opponent's team player, moved in to take the ball away. Suddenly, Pale stopped, called, and changed direction. What happened? As he was running behind the ball, the Pale was running behind the ball, dribbling the ball towards the goal. But suddenly, one player of different team came on his direction, came towards him to take the ball away. But what happened? The Pale stopped and become motionless. He became statue for a second, for a sec, and then suddenly changed his direction. And what happened to this opponent team player? Still controlling the ball with his feet, the other player tried to change direction too. As the Pale changed his direction, the other player also changed his. He also wanted to change his direction, to, but he slipped and fell to the ground. And as he just took the attempt to change his direction, the other team opponent's player, he also fell down. He fell down to the ground. In a flash, Pale was racing for the goal. In a flash means all of a sudden, in a very in a speed of electricity, he was running. He in a speed of in a high speed, he was moving towards the goal. Only the goalkeeper was in his way now. Out from the net came the goalie. Goalie means goalkeeper, to try to smoother the ball, to stop the ball, to take the ball. Pale faked a kick. The goalie dove but the corner of the net, but the ball was not where he thought it would be. Now here, as these are the tricks of the players, especially football players, as they are trying, they just running behind the football, and they were so close to the goal, and what they did, they just trying to pretend that they are kicking in this direction, but actually it was their fake trick. It is actually a trick to change, to change the mind of the goalkeeper, that it gives a surety that this player who is having the ball, he will throw the ball in this direction, and the football goalkeeper had to dive in this direction. But what he did, he made a fake kick, but actually the goal passed through a different corner of the goal, and it reached in the net. Bounce, the goalie raced for it, but it went into the net, and it was a goal, and finally he made the goal. The crowd stood and cheered. Little America had won. The crowd started to chant, Pale, 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 Pale. Pale heard his name and ran around the field. And everybody were cheering, everybody were appreciating, everybody were applauding, clapping in the presence of this admirable or this entertainment game which is being played by the hard skills of the Pale. His arms raised in victory, he was showing that he got the victory. The people threw coins out onto the field, and for the happiness, for the appreciation, people started throwing the coins from their pockets. The money which he had seen before was added up with $3.50. So almost that much money he had collected from the field. Now, here, the Pale was, when Pale was 15-year-old, a big league team named after a large sports city in Brazil, Santos. Santos is a place, a very famous city in the Brazil, the which is very famous. Signed him to a contract. So what this team, the Santos team had a contract with the Pale that he had to play with us for that period of time. He cannot play with other state of team, as it is a rule and regulation of the contract. For this time, for the first time, he was to be paid for playing soccer, and this was his first time he was playing soccer. He is being paid, he is just getting some salary as he was playing football. This was the first incident he got, that in playing the game, in return he was getting some money as well. As Pale started with the junior Santos team. So that Santos team was divided into two teams. First is junior team and one is senior team. The senior team is the international player who play the international game. So in the initial days, he played with the junior Santos team. He practiced and played with them for 3 months before he got his chance to play with the Santos first team. And he almost spent 3 months. He continuously playing with the junior team around 3 months, and then he got the selection in a first Santos team. He entered an exhibition game as center forward in the second half and scored his first goal in a big league competition. And so here, in this international game, where the Santos first grade team was being played with the another opponent's team, and when the match was in the midway, in the second half, he was taken to the match. He was taken to play the match in the second half. And what he did in this opportunity, he made his first goal in the big league competition. This was his first goal in the big league competition. By spring of the following year, the next year, Pale was a regular starter with the Santos. Starter means that he starts the game. That the first ball, he gets the ball first. And after only 2 months of play, he became so well known around the big leagues that he was chosen to be Brazil national team. And now finally he is taken after playing with the Santos team. Now he becomes so famous around the whole Brazil. Now he is taken to the final team of Brazil national team. He was still only 16 years old, and now what was his age? He was only 16 years at this time. In his first game for the national team, Pale went in during the second half and scored the only goal for Brazil as they lost to Argentina. So now finally he has reached to the international team, and where he got the chance in the second half. And after that he made only one goal, and which was the great goal considered, and beat the Argentina by 2-1. That Brazil made two goals, but the Argentina made only one goal. There was a time limit, that 2 hours of match, 3 hours of match. I don't know the exact figure of the match, but in this 3 hours of match, the goal make as much as maximum that team is known as the winner. But here the Argentina made only one goal as compared to the Brazil. Brazil made two goals, so the victory goes towards the Brazil. But just a few days later, they played with Argentina again. Pale was a starter and scored another goal. This time Brazil won 2-0. And now here, uh, the after a while, he was not entered in the second half. He entered in the game, or in the first beginning, in the first half of the match, and again he made his another goal. And in this time Argentina was beaten badly, and the Brazil got its victory. The new year 1958 was a World Cup year. Ev- Every 4 years, the major soccer player countries hold a series of game ending in a final to decide the victor. The World Cup is given to the best national team in the world. So in 1958, a World Cup is going to be organized, and where all the dignitaries team, prestigious teams take the part, and they organize in their own country as well as. But this time the league was being organized in the Brazil, and everybody has to give the best for it. Pale was only 17-year-old, and this time his age was only 17 years, but he was chosen for the Brazil World Cup team. And now finally, after that, he was although very small, but he is selected for the World Cup team. In the quarter final against Wales, Pale scored what he feels is one of the most important goals of his career, and he made his first goal for the country against Wales, and he made his first goal, which was considered a life changing, a turning a point of his life, and that made him so famous for all over the world. Brazil won 1-0 and went into the semi-final, beating France as Pale scored three times. Now here, and in the final played soccer twice more as Brazil beat Sweden 5-2. Now again read it this paragraph. Brazil won 1-0 and went into the semi-final. The second match was semi-final, beating France as Pale scored three times. So in this game, which was the match was being held between France and Brazil, and this time Pale made three goals. So in the first match against Wales, he made one goal, and now he made three goals. Total, he had made in two match four goals. And in the final, Pale scored twice, means he made two goals more. 4 plus 2, 6 goals more as Brazil beat Sweden. And the final match was being held between Brazil and Sweden, and here the Brazil made almost 5 goals, and the Sweden unfortunately made 2 goals. So the Brazil got the victory, and the World Cup goes towards the Brazil. It was Brazil's first World Cup title. Now this was the first time that the Brazil receiving the ownership of the World Cup. Pele had scored 6 goals in the 3 games he played. So he played in 3 games and he made 6 goals. Pele was famous. His feats in the World Cup with the national team and with the Santos were to talk to the soccer's world. Every team wanted him. Now here, as wherever he is going, actually his hard work. This is his luck. Feats means his luck or his hard work, his dedication. Wherever he was going, in the where it is a local team, where it is a Santos team, where it is a national team, he is doing some splendid work, and he is a great source of inspiration for the other students, for the other children, for the other players who wants to look forward in the game of football, who wants to be a nice career in the football game. They can take the inspiration from the pain. Every team wanted him. Now here, each and every team want this guy, want this little boy, Payne. Every country wanted him, and every country wants a such type of player who is so dedicated, so devoted, so honestful, and have a spirits of sportsman. Such type of player everybody required. Then the government of Brazil acted. Pale was declared a national treasure. Now here, from this day, as the government heard that he is required, that many ambassadors, many business want to purchase him, as giving him lots of money to play with such type of country team. But he was too passionate, too patriotic type of person. He didn't go, he didn't sell himself for just in a few dollars or in a sum, but he played with his own country, and the government has announced that this is a treasure, this is a very ancient and holy thing of our country. Brazil had passed a law to stop people for talking national treasure out of the country, and sorry, the government has announced that all the people of this world should not talk about to purchase of this guy because he is a national treasure for our country. The law was meant to protect works of art and importance realize. Realize is means the holy, ancient and holy thing. A very so precious things. They cannot be taken out of the country. They are very important. They are very specious for the country. But this time the law was used to keep a human being in the country. But this time this law is made for the human. Otherwise, such type of laws are made for the more for the important things, as the statue, as the jewelry, as any kind of monuments. These are the things, or especially statues. Animals, they cannot be taken, or they cannot be sell out in different countries for just having a good amount of sum. No, but this time the government had decided to not to sell a person out of the country, and nobody can take this person out of the country because it's a national treasure, a very important or unique thing for the country. Brazil won the World Cup again 4 years later, and now first 1958, after 4 years, it means 1962. That match was also happened. The World Cup was also happened, and this time the Brazil got its own World Cup, and again 8 years later. So, but next 4 years they couldn't win the match. But after 4 years means in 62, after 70, in the 70 World Cup they again won the World Cup. So 3 World Cup they have already won. And over this span of years, Pale's team, the Santos, won state and international team titles time after time. Pale proved that he truly was a national treasure. So he almost 3 World Cup in the under the guidance of Pale, under the observation of Pale, that he was the main player of the team. Brazil won 3 World Cup, 2 back to back, and the third one after 8 years. And that's why, and also he was playing with the national local team as well. As that's why he is known as the treasure of Brazil. Now here some extra information about the Pale. Pale scored 1,220 goals in his career, including 95 for the Brazil national team. So in for the international purpose, as per the perspective of international, where whenever the Brazil played with the different country, he made only 95. But overall, in his own town, in his own country, he made 1,220. That is a fantastic total for soccer. As many games are low scoring, often decided by one or two goals. Why? Why has Pale been such an outstanding player? Speed, of course. So actually, the what makes this person so perfect, that is his fitness, his speed, his enthusiasm, his mind is, he runs very fast. He has a great skill of sprinting. Is one reason, of course, one reason Pale can run, and he can change direction and speed quickly. So as this game is all about the matter of speed and changing the direction, that the person, the opponent team player, like we have to make the fool, or we have to make his mind, we have to play with his mind, that he is thinking about that this guy is taking the ball near the goal, near the goalkeeper, but suddenly he take the turn and moved in different direction, so he made the player confused. And this is the main problem of the other team, opponent's team player, that how to control this person, that makes it hard to cover him. Other players can seem to block him out, but his supreme skills in a ball control, sometimes it almost seems as if the ball were tied to his foot. Other times he seems to have magical control over it. The ball does exactly what he wants to do it. But many times it has been observed that the Pale is being targeted by the opponent's team player. They blocked his way. They were trying to control him. They were thinking that if they control this main player, they win the match. But his dedication towards the match, his dedication or his skill towards the match, he is so sharp. He cannot be controlled by the opponent's team player. So he quickly make his goal, and which is extraordinary efforts, which is extraordinary matter for his life, of his game as well. As most teams try to stop Pale by putting two or three players to guard him, and this is also sometimes observed that there are 2-3 players who just try to busy to try to busy the Pale. They just become a guard and not going, no, not moving him, not try to move him here and there, because they are trying to stop him, as it is also allowed in the game. Of course, when they do that, Pale's teammates are in a good sports to soccer. Now here, when they are trying to stop him, the other players who are so brilliant, they make the goal. So this strategy, the opponent's team strategy, was gone fall. So Pale's value to his team is much greater than just the goals he scored. But his presence was more important than he make the goal, because his presence is a big danger for the other team opponents players, because they feel they get scared, they are intense, they are in depression, because this is a kind of a player who can run very fastly. It is very hard to control him, and so that's why his presence is very powerful in the game. He steps up as many goals for his teammates as he scored himself. He also given many goals, that there were many chances that he can make the goal, but he passed the ball to the another person, to the another player, so he can make the goal. So this type of dedication, this type of sportsman spirits it makes this person great. It is no wonder that Pale has been acclaimed all over the world as the greatest soccer player who ever lived. Acclaimed means applauded, appraised, appreciated. That there is no doubt that the Pale is appreciated all over the world just because of his dedication, his great skill of playing the game. As Sachin Tendulkar, Sachin Tendulkar is known as a very honest, full person. Intricate word I would recommend you, because intricate means who is a loyal, who is a truthful towards his game. As the only when it is been observed that many times the bowler didn't know, the wicket keeper didn't know that there was a touch of ball with the bat and catch by the keeper, but the keeper found that no, the ball didn't touch the fielder didn't know that the ball touched with the bat, the bowler didn't know the ball touched with the bat, but only himself, he left the pitch and went towards the his stadium. That this was the loyalty towards the game. If you are loyal with the game always will respect you, and it will give you the opportunity next time that to be more confident, to be more patientful. So Sachin Tendulkar is also a great example of he also comes in a list of great player. If the 10 players all around the world are there in a top list, Sachin name is definitely mentioned over there, because Sachin is also acclaimed by all over the world in the field of cricket. In 1974, Pale said he would retire. Now, finally, there should be at age of every person take retirement, leave the game for the rest of the life because some personal reason. Giant crowd shouted, "Pale, pale, pale," and stay, stay, stay. And when he announced that, now in meanwhile the game match, when the match was stopped, when the match was over, he retired. He announced that he is going to retire, and the whole crowd was screaming the name of the Pale, 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 and they are saying that just stay with us, stay with the game. But Pale felt it was time to quit. He was 33-year old. Now at this time in 1974 he became 33-year-old, and now it's very enough of playing game, because spending too much time, almost 20 years, he played with the team, you know, while doing so hard work, while having intense practice, intense exercise. The body gets, because in this period of time many injuries a person or a player face in his life. So that he requires a little bit piece of time, so where he can spend, he can heal his all the injuries, his wounds, everything. So he wanted to relax and spend more time with his family and two young children, and he wanted to spend a good quality of time with his family members. But in 1975, with the permission of the Brazil government, Pale signed a contract to play for the New York Cosmos soccer team, as there was a some, those person, those players would take the retirement, but due to the government instruction, by the government request, the player who had taken already the retirement plays little bit game for the betterment of the welfare. Suppose the Sachin, like in Australia recently there was a wood fire, the bush fire was also, where Sachin was invited to play in the land of Australia with the player of Australia, to collect the sum, to collect the revenue, as there are many Indians, many different people who are fan of Sachin. They belong to different country. They bought the ticket just because of they want to see the one glance of Sachin Tendulkar back to on the stadium, back on the pitch, with gloves, with pad, with bat, with his helmet. So everybody was so desperate to see his one presence. So people specially buy, and that ticket was so expensive, and the whole money goes towards the fund, in an NGO which pay the date, the whatever the lost the Australia found. So it is a kind of a kind of a charity, where he, for the charity, he played the game. So this type of things make a person great. Pale signed a contract to play with the New York Cosmos soccer team. He couldn't resist trying to beat the last challenge, making soccer a major sport in the United States. Right from his first appearance, crowd doubled and tripled. Pale excited more, interested and enthusiasm in soccer than there had ever been before. Now here, the government given the permission to play football, to go to America, because America football was not famous that period of time. So to make this game too popular, or the people of America also get interest in such type of game, so they call this great player, and the people get motivated by, they get inspired by the story, and they also start doing the soccer. So it was a great experience he added in his speech. The 3 weeks after arriving in New York, Pale was seen playing soccer with the bunch of boys in Central Park. And after spending 3 weeks, he was being observed that he was playing soccer, he was playing football with a bunch of little players, little students, little children in the Central Park. It was so amazing to see. When Pale saw the boys playing, he couldn't stay away, just as he couldn't stay away from the games when he was a barefoot kid, taking an old socks stuffed with newspaper. As he was so happy, so delighted, as he memorized his old days when he was playing football with the stuffed ball, a fake ball, kicking in the air, and all the things. Pale was best in the world at what he did. What would you like to become a best at? Now, the Pale was best, and what are, if you want to be best, what would you do? So this is the thing. We can take many examples of his life, that we have to be too much dedicated towards the game. We have to be very patient. We have to be very positive. Loyalty, honesty, dedication, team spirits. Many things are required to be a best. Now here, answer the questions orally. You have to speak the questions, answers orally. If you were Pale, would you have to retire at the age of 33? Why do you? Why do you try? He retired at. Why do you think he tried at such a young age? As I have told you that there are many things, many personal reasons are there. First, there is a time period where a person is at his peak point. But once a person reach its peak point, definitely a time comes when he goes downwards. So first reason is that sometimes many players have been observed that they are brutally injured in the field of game, so they required a rest. And it is also observed that they are live apart from their family members, their friends, for a long period of time, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and again the matches are being played. Many leagues are being played. Many different match associations play match. So they are totally busy, constantly busy, and they can't spend time with their family. So they leave. These are the reasons. So they leave at that. And he tried at very young age, because he was entered in the age of 17. He played his first international game, and that's why 17, almost he had spent 17 20 days 20 years, and it's a very high period of time. Do you think Pale loved soccer after he retired? Which incident proved this? Yes, he loved his game, because this incident when the America took the initiative to call the Pale to his own country to make this, to spread the game all over the part of America, and the people become fond of it. So, and where he found that in spending 3 weeks, he was being observed playing the football game with the small children in the Central Park. What would you say to Pale if you had the opportunity to meeting him? It's upon you. If you get an opportunity to meet with Pale, what would you do? What would you say to him? Now here, Pale's real name, Addison Arantes de Nascimento. Yes, definitely. Or the third one? I think the first one. The first one is the answer. Nick Mentor. Pale first team was 7th of September. Yes. How many goals were scored by Pale in the first champion final? How many goals? So it was the third number answer, 2. Pale helped Brazil to win 3 World Cup finals. Yes. What was the name of the team the Pale formed when he was young? So the name of the 7th wonder, 7th September. Did the team Little America win the tournament it participated? Yes. The Little America was got its victory, where when they participated in this tournament, who scored the winning goal in the final? Definitely Pale scored the final goal. How old was Pale when he signed a contract with Santos? He was at the age of maybe 17 or maybe 15, maybe 16. No, he was a 15-year-old when he was signed by the Cemento, by the Santos, as a contract. So he was at the age of 15. How old was Pale when he played in the World Cup? How many goals did he score in the 3 games? The Pale age was 17-year-old and he made 6 goals in 3 games, in 3 matches. How did Pale prove that he was a national treasure? By his by his sportsmanship, by his doing hard work. As that back to back there was a World Cup victory. The World Cup always bring this cup of World Cup always brought by the Pale efforts in the same country. So that's why he is known as the treasure of Brazil. What did the crowd say to him when Pale retired? The Pale, then when he announced that he is going to take retirement, then everybody was saying, Pale, 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 and stay, stay, stay. In which circumstances did play soccer again? In which circumstances, in what circumstances did Pale played soccer again? The circumstances was that the Brazil government requested him to go to the America to spread this game worldwide, and this is the initiative taken by the American government, and that's why he went to play. That's what these were the circumstances he went to the America to play the game, or to make this game very famous among the citizens of America. In which part of the New York was Pale found playing soccer? In New York, the Central Park. Who was he playing with? Who was he playing with? He was playing with a bunch of students or little players. I can feel the ball. I kick it, but it wouldn't go where I want it to. Who said whom? The Pale, when the Little America team was given the shoes and socks, so that it was so uncomfortable to wear it. So the Pale said to his teammates that he can't feel the ball. I kick it. Why couldn't he feel the ball? Because this time he didn't have practice to play with the shoes, or to kick the ball while having shoes in his feet. Why don't why didn't he have another any choice? Because there was a rule and regulation. If a team do not follow the rule and regulations, especially uniform or shoes, then he or this team is not allowed to play the game anymore. So this was no choice. He has to play the game with wearing the shoes. The people threw coins out on the field. Why did the people throw coin out? Because he had done a splendid job. He got the final score, final goal, and people were so happy to get the victory of their favorite team. How much money was collected? 3.50 dollar. Who made possible the win? Definitely Pale. So this is all about the chapter of chapter number 4, and I hope you have enjoyed this chapter very well, and I hope you would read the question answer by your own self. And if there is any question, any query, you can directly contact me by chat, by email, so by comment. So thank you very much once again, dear students, to be with me, and thank you.